Hey guys, welcome to level 19. Today we will talk about the 19 biggest mistakes you make while purchasing a used car. Keep watching level 19. When you're shopping for a car, there's a lot at stake, including time, money and your family's driving happiness for years to come. You don't have to do everything perfectly when you're car shopping, but there are some big mistakes you definitely should avoid. As you start your search for your next car, stay away from these top buying blunders. They can really cost you. Mistake number 1. Not doing your homework. While purchasing an old car, you need to do your homework beforehand. There are reliable sites that supply a wealth of information on car makes and models, reviews, pricing, rebates and incentives and negotiating techniques. Mistake number 2. Shopping at just one dealership. While purchasing an old car, shop around. Plan on checking out at least 3 different dealerships. Compare deals, and when you're ready to buy, let the dealerships with whom you're talking know that you're keeping your options open. This can help you secure a great price. Mistake number 3. Ignoring the internet. Car dealers typically have an online operation that lets you negotiate a price and make a deal remotely. So go online and check for the better deals. That's a huge stress reliever for those of us who hate negotiating face-to-face. Mistake number 4. Only monthly payment is focused. Many car buyers tell the salesperson about the monthly payment having in their budget. Buyer usually forgets about the monthly interest rate, insurance charges and bank services. In such a case they pay more than their desired budget. Mistake number 5. Not doing an appraisal of your trade-in. If you're planning on trading, upgrading model, in your old car, you can check your car value on internet by yourself. There are many online sites from which you can take estimate of your car value, print out the findings and share with dealer. Mistake number 6. Failing to do a thorough test drive. Test drive is not the perfect findings for you. You usually drive it on the local roads and a few right turns. In fact, the drive should be tested in a long route. Buyer should check the visibility when backing up. Car seat would fit into the back. If that third row is really so easy to get in and out of, make a checklist of your must-have features and refer to it during the drive. Mistake number 7. Skipping the call to your insurance agent. You need to look at the big picture when you're buying a new car, especially when it comes to insurance. Will you be paying more or less with this new vehicle? Do you need gap insurance? These are questions that should be addressed with your insurance company. Mistake number 8. Buying from a salesperson you don't trust. Too many of us buy cars from salespeople we don't particularly like or trust. Even worse, many people buy from salespeople because they feel sorry for them. Remember, this is a business deal, and the result is for you to get the right car at the right price. If a salesperson makes you feel uneasy for any reason, walk away. Ideally, the salesperson can demonstrate the features of the car and help match a customer to the right car. So look for a salesperson who listens well and answers your questions directly. Then, as you move from the test drive to the deal-making phase. Mistake number 9. Underestimating the importance of F&I. Once your deal has been closed and now you are in front of finance and insurance office, F&I, to get it written. While this step seems like an afterthought, it's actually an essential part of the deal-making process. F&I is where the verbal promise is made by. Mistake number 10. Taking dealership financing without shopping around. The convenience of one-stop shopping at the dealership can be hard to pass up, but it's smarter to look into financing with local banks or your credit union first. Better yet, get a pre-approval for a car loan before you get to the dealership. You will know exactly how much you can afford to spend on the car, and you'll immediately know if the dealer can offer you a better deal on the interest rate. Mistake number 11. Buying under pressure. A car is the deal of a lifetime that happens to only be good on that particular day. After all, this is a major purchase that can affect you financially for years to come, so you have the right to sleep on it. If you get too much pressure to buy the car that very day, it may be best to walk away. Mistake number 12. Focused only on single channel. When it comes to buying a car, shopping around is crucial, especially when you're looking at used cars. This is because there are typically more avenues to purchase a used car compared to new cars, such as dealerships, private sellers, auctions, online car sale sites, car lots, for sale ads in newspapers. Mistake number 13. Not focused what to purchase. Have a basic enough idea of what you want: a sedan, pickup truck, family-friendly minivan, and start your shop around. If you are not targeted your want, you could be guided wrongly. Mistake number 14. Forgetting to research vehicle history. Some used car sellers will provide you with basic information such as maintenance reports, e.g., receipts for oil changes and other necessary upkeep. But perhaps the best way to learn about a vehicle's history is to order a vehicle history report, VHR. Such reports provide information such as the number of past owners, odometer readings, including readings at the time of ownership change, accident history, whether there are any liens on the vehicle, if the vehicle has ever been categorized A, lemon. Mistake number 15. Avoiding a mechanical inspection. Sure, it costs extra money upfront, but a mechanical inspection could save you thousands down the road. Whenever possible, hire a trusted, reputable mechanic to inspect any used vehicle you're considering buying. Remember, just because the seller isn't aware of any mechanical problems doesn't mean there aren't any. Your mechanic could find a minor issue or two that are fairly inexpensive to repair, considering how badly you want the vehicle, or he could find major issues that render the car not worth it. Mistake number 16. Overlooking vehicle maintenance and repair. Let's assume you've ordered a vehicle history report and hired a mechanic to inspect the car, and everything is to your liking. Now it's time to think about what it will cost you to maintain and repair the vehicle. Mistake number 17. Skipping the extended warranty. This one's a little trickier, because some experts advise against spending the extra cash on service contracts commonly misreferred to as extended warranties, citing they generally aren't necessary in addition to basic factory warranties. However, service contracts could pay off when it comes to used cars. Mistake number 18. Accepting the first auto loan you're offered. Before you head to the dealership, consider shopping around for auto loans from banks or credit unions. Sometimes, these financial institutions can offer you much better rates than can the dealerships. Unless you've saved up the cash to buy a used car outright, you'll likely need an auto loan. Mistake number 19. Buying a car based on looks, rather than on need. Before you even begin looking for a car, whether online or in person, it's important to assess exactly what you need from your car. If you're looking for a commuter car, don't waste your time looking at trucks. If you're looking for a vehicle that can tow a trailer, don't bother to look at sports cars. Conclusion. With any major purchase, it pays to be informed and prepared. Now that you're aware of these common car buying mistakes, you can ensure you'll find the right car for your family. Safe driving. Thanks for watching Level 19.